All right, today we're going to try some peas. It's July 20 something. It's July 27th.
I think that's right.
I'll just put a little bit in because I have a feeling I know how this is going to go. It looks very skeptical. I'll try on my finger first. No, that wasn't bad. Do you want some more? Oh, yeah. Okay, we'll let that settle first. Here's some peas. Peas, please.
Num 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 num.
Mmm.
Yeah. Ooh.
Mmm. Yum.
Not a complete bust.
Mm-mm. Yum, 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 yum. Ready?
Ooh.
Good job. Very good job. Ready? Okay, I'll let you finish chewing. I can't get out. Ready? No? Yes, you want some peas? Liam. Hi. Good job. Good job. Yeah, you can hold the spoon. Here, you want to hold the spoon? Get that off before you rub it in your eyes. I'm thinking that's a no.
I'm done.
Are you all finished? Are you all done? All done. All done.
Ooh.
All done. Good boy. That wasn't bad at all. Good boy. Good job.
That was
Have
a
your
good
water.
job.
Very good job. Yay.
Good job, Liam.
There, that's more like it.
Mm-hmm.
I might eat some lunch.